country can be on a farm.
Welcome back to my channel. It's day 3 of our exciting July 2025 challenge. And today we're diving into the wonderful world of vegetables. Now let's explore the amazing world of veggies together. Our spotlight today is on 2 common yet incredibly versatile beans, yellow bush beans and green beans. Yellow bush beans, also known as wax beans, are a true summer delight. These beans are not only visually appealing with their bright yellow color, but also offer a tender texture and a slightly sweet flavor that complements a wide range of dishes. They're a fantastic source of vitamins A and C, dietary fiber, and protein. On the other hand, green beans, with their crisp snap and earthy taste, are a true gem. Whether you prefer them steamed, sautéed, or even raw, green beans bring a fresh, vibrant flavor to every meal. They're particularly rich in vitamins K and C, as well as folate and magnesium. Now, let's embark on a culinary adventure and discover some delightful ways to incorporate these beans into our meals. For the yellow bush beans, let's start with a simple and refreshing salad. Combine cooked yellow bush beans with chopped bell peppers, cucumbers, and a drizzle of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste and enjoy the perfect side dish for any barbecue or picnic. Yellow bush beans also shine in stir-fries. Their tender texture holds up well to the high-heat cooking and adds a lovely color to the dish. Stir-fry them with your favorite vegetables and protein and serve it over a nice bed of rice or noodles. Green beans, with their firmer texture, are perfect for grilling. Simply toss them on the grill and cook until they have a nice char. Grilled green beans have a smoky flavor that's hard to resist. For a more classic preparation, steam green beans until they're tender but still have a slight crunch. Add a dash of butter or olive oil and season with salt and pepper. This simple side dish is a timeless classic for a reason. Green beans also add a touch of elegance to salads. Combine blanched green beans with cherry tomatoes, a protein of your choice, and a tangy vinaigrette for a delightful summer salad. As we wrap up our culinary journey, remember that both yellow bush beans and green beans are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. Experiment with different recipes and cooking methods to find your favorite ways to enjoy these summer staples. And don't forget to share your creations with us. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!